Now, why do we call objects as instances of a class? We have studied about class and objects in the previous classes also, that a class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. As we know that objects are the part of the class and class serves as only the blueprint for the objects, and the class state and behavior is exhibited by the objects. So we say that objects are the instances or the part of the class. Next is creating objects or instantiating objects. An object in Java is a block of memory that contains space to store all the instance variable. We know object is a part of the class and variables and the methods that we declare inside the class are also the part of the objects. And the process of object creation is known as instantiating an object or creating an object. The general syntax for object creation is the class name space object name is equal to new space class name. Here new is the operator that is used for creating the object in the memory. And the example of object creation is rectangle space rect1. Here rect1 is the object of the class rectangle, and this statement is known as object declaration. And also rect1 is the reference to the rectangle class object. Therefore, we say that classes are the reference data types also and the user defined data types also. Here, the variable are the object and the data types are the name of the class. Therefore, we say that objects are the variables of the type class, or classes are the user defined data types. Next, we can see, coming back to this example, rect1 is the object of the class rectangle. Rect1 is equal to new rectangle means we have created an instance rect1 of the class rectangle, and now we have created a reference of this object. This is a diagram form of our previous example. Action is declaration, statement is rectangle space rect1. When we declare the object of any class, only a space is given and it does not contain any reference to the object of the class. Next, when we instantiated that object with the help of new operator, a memory is allocated to the rectangle object. Now it has created a reference to the rectangle object. And here rect1 is the reference.